In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a moving average in TradingView. This is a really simple but very useful trick, especially if your chart is starting to look crowded and you want to focus on price action or other indicators without permanently deleting anything. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly hide and show your moving average whenever you need it. First, make sure you already have a moving average added to your chart. It might be called MA, moving average, or something similar, depending on how it was added or which script you're using. On your TradingView chart, look over to the left side where your indicators are listed. This area usually shows the name of each indicator that's currently active on your chart, including your moving average. Take a moment to locate the moving average in that list. If you have several indicators, you might need to hover your mouse over each one to see which line is highlighted on the chart. Once you've clearly found the moving average, move your cursor over its name. You should see some small icons appear next to it. Among those icons, look for the three dots. Often called the More Options or Context menu, it's usually positioned to the right of the indicator name. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will open a small menu with several options related to that specific indicator. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Hide. Click on Hide. As soon as you do this, the moving average line will disappear from your chart. But don't worry, it's not deleted, it's simply hidden from view. This is great when you want a cleaner look or you're comparing price movement without that overlay. Now, if you want to bring the moving average back, it's just as easy. Go back to the same indicator list on the left side of your chart. Even though the moving average line is hidden, you should still see its name in the list, often with a slightly different icon indicating that it's not visible. Once again, hover over the moving average entry and click on the three dots to open that same options menu. This time, instead of Hide, you'll see an option that says Show. Click on Show, and your moving average will instantly reappear on the chart with all its previous settings intact. That's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly hide and show a moving average in TradingView without removing it or reconfiguring it every time.